Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the world of road safety with the Rove R2 to 4K Pro Dash Cam. Let's see if this little device packs a punch or falls flat on its face. The Rove R2 to 4K Pro Dash Cam is all about capturing your driving experiences in stunning detail. Equipped with a high-resolution camera boasting 4K video and a wide viewing angle. This dash cam ensures that every moment on the road is recorded with clarity. Now, what sets this dash cam apart? Well, let's break it down. First up, affordability. Unlike some of its pricier competitors, the R2 to 4K Pro won't break the bank. But don't let the price fool you. It still delivers sharp 4K video quality that captures every detail of your journey. And let's not forget about connectivity. With built-in GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi, you can reliably record your route and easily share footage with friends, family, or even law enforcement if needed. In terms of design, the R2 to 4K Pro is sleek and compact, so it won't obstruct your view of the road. Plus, installation is a breeze, making it accessible for drivers of all experience levels. But of course, no product is perfect. The R2 to 4K Pro lacks some of the fancy driver assist features you might find in pricier models, like forward collision warnings or lane departure alerts. And there's no touchscreen, so you'll have to navigate menus with buttons instead. But when it comes to performance, this dash cam shines. Whether it's capturing daytime scenery or navigating through nighttime streets, the R2 to 4K Pro delivers clear, detailed footage that you can rely on. So, what's the final verdict? The Rove R2 to 4K Pro Dash Cam offers competent 4K road surveillance without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a reliable dash cam that nails the basics, this might just be the one for you. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, drive safe out there.